Okay, Professor, this is the video demonstrating the last fitting curve, and I share my screen right now. Then we could run the program. This is the curve. Oh, sorry, the curve with two individual, not the. Yeah, this is the last curve fitting. So in this case, we have a three variables, which is the x var of the first variable, and the second variable. This is the result. This is the result of the function, and then the x value is on column 0. In this case, I have used decimal to generate corresponding table, and then I can catch all the data needed to generate the plot for the fitting curves as well as the original function. So in this case, this is the model variables CSV file. Then I have to use the same functions at the beginning. Just I need to edit one more appendage to catch a second independence. Then I have the function to record. I have the function to record the equation here. Then since I use the tangent, in this case. So this stands for tangent function. I have used in this case, and then I have the sine function here, and the second function at the second part. Then I could plot the output of the original function, because I have recorded function here with the second individual, and as well as the last and the results of the equation above here. Then I set up a function to test 5 different scenario, and as well as I enable all each one and disable the rest, and then we could see how the plot shows in this case. So I mean okay, the title and the x-axis and y-axis are all the same. And then let me just run the program. And so as we have the first scenario A and A, so it looks kind of messy. And let me disable it and start from 2 to 4 independence. It looks better. Yeah, it looks better since it's a complicated functions like in here, which include which is independence also includes a function like a tangent function, so it's complicated. And then if I disable the first one and enable the second one, so it will come out of the like more messy. It's messy. And then if I enable the third one here, so it basically, to me personally, it looks all I could not understand how this plot really work. And if I disable the fourth and the third one, and I enable the fourth one, then yeah, so I could plot different scenario diagram in this case, and I also print out different output of the curve fit in this case. So some number is pretty small, and that's all the 5 fitting curve. And so in next video, I'm going to demonstrate the development game.